So we have Nolan Savinda here, and Nolan is a local guy. He's from the Murraysville area, which isn't too far from our headquarters here in Irwin. Um, Nolan is actually has his. You had your own detailing business for how long?
I've had it for 4 going on 5 years now.
5 years. And what's the name of it?
Driven to Shine Detail.
Driven to Shine. And you have quite a customer base.
Yeah, for sure. I've built quite a good client base around our area for sure so far.
So we actually recruited Nolan to be a trainer for us. And this is about his fourth training session that he's done for us. Done a great job. And so what do you think of the training?
I honestly think it's super. It's been not only super informative for me, learning a different system of ways to do things, but it's also very cool for the people that I get to meet, to learn their stories, to be able to teach other people these skills as well. I think that's a great thing. It's not obviously it's a cool thing to be able to do it, but whenever you're spreading the wealth of skill and knowledge and everything, I think that's what makes it worth it.
Excellent. You're doing a great job at it.
Yeah,
we
thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
And now you're welcome. You are officially Detail Czar and Jade Ceramic Coating certified.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Great job.